Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the proptosis, what are the ways for measurement of proptosis? Right. For the measurement of proptosis, we have a test called as Nafzigger's test first. So, in the measurement of proptosis, we have Nafzigger's test. So, in the Nafzigger's test, we can ask the person. So, this is the picture of Nafzigger's test where the patient is the doctor stands behind the patient, and you have to inspect the eyeballs by looking behind the patient. By standing behind the patient, you should stand behind the patient, and after standing behind the patient, you should look for the eyeballs. You should inspect for the eyeballs, and the patient should be looking over his forehead like this. If he is looking over his forehead, if you observe the eyeballs, you can see that this eye is protruded when compared to the this one. This is more protruded when compared to this one, so this is called as Nafzigger's test.
thank you and thank you for watching.